Make sure to assess the surrounding to ensure it's safe before heading out. Still care of any potential conflicts. Leeds is definitely a city worth exploring. Today we are escaping the busy of our daily routine to spend some time outside. The trip from here to Leeds will take us around 3 hours in total. Interestingly, although we have visited Leeds numerous times, we have never explored the city center. It's quite amusing. After researching the area on Google, we were surprised to discover the county arcade within what is now known as Victoria Leeds. This area features some of the most magnificent arcades, including the beautifully restored County Arcade and Cross Arcade. In terms of real estate investment, Hammerson is estimated to have invested an additional £164 million in the construction of Victoria Gate, which opened in 2016. We also discovered a delightful coffee shop that offers quick and efficient service. I particularly appreciate the self-service screen which allows you to place your coffee order and then wait at the counter for your name and order number to appear on the screen for pickup. I ordered a flat white and a signature drink known as a bag hood. I requested permission to film while he crafted the coffee art, and he kindly agreed. As coffee enthusiasts, we appreciate the artistry on top that bring us joy. The staff members are exceptionally friendly and attentive, providing a warm welcome and excellent service. This cafe offers a pleasant atmosphere with a relaxed vibe. It was a delightful experience with authentic coffee made from real beans. It's quite a pastry, all at reasonable prices. The croissant and raisin pastry were crispy on the outside and wonderfully soft on the inside, surpassing many cafes in Paris. Having just visited Paris 3 months ago, I can confidently make that comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Always stay positive, and maintaining a good relationship over time can be quite a challenge. Don't miss the opportunity to discover the charming historic site in Leeds when you get the chance. Afternoon tea is truly a cherished daily tradition in our home. I take the time to brew fresh coffee from quality bean and bake homemade treat each day, except on occasion like today when we enjoy the delightful atmosphere of a cafe. Our signature post 20 years ago in 2004, we always hold a happy place in our heart as we continue to age together. Goodbye, my friend. Have a fantastic weekend and keep smiling. Embracing positivity will drive you in more good luck and happiness. If you enjoyed this type of voiceover and holiday video, kindly give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the section below the videos. Thank you for watching.